We're Ashley and Christian, and we just finished driving the ring road around Iceland. After eating fermented shark and watching seals on the north coast, we've made a big decision to drop our plans and head to the volcano. What better way to end our time in Iceland than seeing our first active volcano and taking a dip in the Blue Lagoon? Come along with us as we explore the amazing country of Iceland.
We are officially on the hike up to the volcano. We just paid our parking pass, which was like 1,000 ISK or about $10 USD. It looks like we're going to be taking Trail C, I believe.
And C is the only one that's really open right now.
We're hoping to see the volcano because we literally drove from the Snaefelsnes Peninsula straight here.
Couple hour hike, I think, to get to a good viewing spot. So you can see back here, that's the original lava fields where it's hardened. You can see the smoke coming out. That's because there's actual magma still beneath it. Isn't that cool? We're going up that mountain. This hike is like straight up the mountain. And it's so windy up here right now. But hopefully it's worth it. We can smell the volcano. We can see smoke. We just can't see anything else yet. This is one of the live feed cameras I've been watching. So I'm seeing it in person and it's really surreal.
We can see a little sliver. We're seeing our first lava. You guys,
Can you see the little tiny?
You can't see it quite, I don't think.
There's just a little bit of orange peeking through all the clouds.
We gotta go.
I don't have any words. I don't think that I've been able to like process the fact that we're watching a very active volcano, or the fact that I've been watching it on the live cam for so long that I'm like actually watching it now.
Meanwhile, I'm laying on the ground because we forgot our tripod in the car. I'm getting some pretty good shots.
Face is covered in snot. It's so cold. My nose is running. We've gotten even closer. We hiked from that little tiny hill all the way over there, around the edge of this mountain hill. I feel like we're really close right now. You hear that? Saying that he can do it. Everything up just in case, but we're really hoping we can get something from it.
On the lower end of the volcano now. I can almost feel the heat on my face. And we're down here near the lava field. We're not going to walk on the lava field because, I don't know, I just don't want to die today. But it is very interesting looking. It looks like smushed marshmallows that are very black. So close to it right now. We're getting ready to come up on this hill, which will be right in front of the lava field. We just got finished with the hike.
I got a bit sketchy on the way down with the fog being so thick, and yeah, it was a lot of wind and it was blowing rain at us. Both our right sides of our faces, I think, are numb still. Just a couple of tips. Make sure you have layers. We both had on, 4 layers, I think. Wool socks. Those are really helpful. They keep your feet dry as well as warm. Hiking boots. I don't think tennis shoes would have been a good idea.
Rain gear. You want to be sure to be prepared because Iceland's weather is so unpredictable.
You want to keep your ears nice and covered. That would definitely give you an ear infection. And make sure you check the condition website. I'll link it down below because I've been checking it a lot, as well as the webcams, just to see what you're getting yourself into. In total, it only took us about 4.5 hours to get all the way to the end.
I'm pretty impressed.
I feel like we hauled butt tonight. So worth it giving up the rest of the Snaefelsnes Peninsula. We thought, you know what? This is more of a once-in-a-lifetime chance.
We will see you tomorrow.
At the Blue Lagoon.
At the Blue Lagoon.
Thank goodness we are starting our day at the Blue Lagoon because I'm already sore from our volcano hike last night.
This is definitely something I was looking forward to pretty much all day yesterday when we were hiking. This is a much needed R&R for sure.
So good. Very different than the other one that we went to. Oh, I don't know which one I like better. They're just very different.
Going to the Blue Lagoon after a extremely long hike is one of the best decisions you will ever make. Put this as your number 2 right behind it. That way you are more relaxed after. We got our free drinks that came with it. I got a Summersby apple cider and I got
a smoothie with some fruits in it, but you get 1 free drink per ticket. And they have beer and other kind of like sparkling wine and smoothies and stuff. It's nice that you get a free one.
It is pretty hot right now, so and your refreshment feels great. That water smells very sulfury. Didn't taste very sulfury.
We got these mud masks. The comfort package includes the regular silica one, but it's supposed to be really good for your skin.
We just got our masks on. We probably look ridiculous right now, but it feels pretty cleansing. I can definitely tell it's doing something to my face.
The steam coming off the Blue Lagoon feels great with it. This is a very nice, relaxing experience. Even though it's busy, it's not hard to find like your own little spot. They have these nice drinking fountains so that you can stay hydrated. Except I'm not really sure. I would keep your cup. After you get your drink, keep your cup so that you can drink some water because I'm just gonna have to.
We made it to the furthest side of the lagoon and it's nice and shallow and there's nobody over here, so we love it.
And there's this nice green wall behind